I remember the first time I saw a Hippeastrum bloom. The colour was amazing and the flowers are extremely large. And ever since then I've loved growing them in my garden, but for gardeners or even flower lovers who lack the space, there's another great way you can grow them. This is the Van Berkel Hippeastrum Vase Kit, and these summer flowering bulbs are often planted in the garden, but they are also a huge success as a living flower indoors for a short period of time. You can grow these bulbs in this nifty vase where you can watch them develop over time, and it's super easy to do so. Fill the vase with water, but make sure it isn't touching the bottom of the bulb, so leave roughly 1 or 2 centimeters of space. The roots should just be touching the water surface, or if your bulb is still developing its roots, they will eventually drop down into the water in a few weeks. Leave the assembled kit in a well-lit area. This kit makes a great gift or as something special to have growing at the kitchen table. Garden Express has 4 different coloured Hippeastrum kits to choose from. And you can get one of these kits for just $47, which is a savings of 20%. In roughly 6 to 8 weeks, this bulb will form its main flowering stem, side leaves and main flower. And once it has finished flowering, you can cut that flower stem off and plant the bulb into a shaded area where it will bloom and multiply for next year.